Hello everyone and welcome to Fotello University. Today we're going to be going over how you shoot in bad weather. Let's start with the basics. We're just going to be sticking with a normal 3-2 or 5-2 bracket, whatever you're comfortable with. That way we get as most dynamic range as possible out of these bad weather conditions. Then you can put it into our system, give it the best chance possible at getting a good result. Make sure you're on a tripod, and if you're doing it during the twilight, definitely use a tripod. The biggest thing is just setting your agent's mind at ease. What I tell every agent whenever it comes time to shooting in bad weather is I prefer to shoot it in bad weather. If you're out and it's a bright and sunny day, either one side or the other of the house is going to be compromised by a weird shadow stippling or a really bright sunny day on one side. So if it's sunny on one side of the house, the back side's going to be in shadow, or vice versa. There could also be stippling through the trees or weird shadows. So shooting with a cloudy day is actually way beneficial because you can control the light and where directions of the light are headed. Combine that explanation with the power of Fotello being able to do sky replacements and everything else, and you have no reason for your agent to reschedule or put you on a different time slot for that day. In conclusion, you do not have to worry about any kind of bad weather days. As long as you're giving us a great base result, we're going to give you a great result in the end. That way you don't have to worry about anything, your agents don't have to worry, and you're going to build up that confidence needed to be able to take pictures in any condition. Let's take a quick look at some of the examples that I was just going over on bad weather days that you can transform and sell your agents on at a later date, even using some of the images that you've taken on bad weather days in order to upsell things later. This is a snowy day whenever the actual house is just in full snow. So this is the result whenever you put it directly into Fotello, and it gives you back a blue sky, perfectly edited. You can tell it's snowy and it's snowing, and that's a part of the element that I actually like and prefer. Just so they know, like, hey, this is up in the mountains. You're gonna get snow. This is really pretty. It's like a fantasy. But let's take it up a notch. If you put this image into this little editing tool right here where you can personalize it to match your style, I use the AI feature to type in, give me a nice spring day at twilight. And then I went up here to the twilight function and picked sunset. This is the absolutely amazing result that Fotello gives you whenever you put in a simple command like that you could then upsell to your agent and get even more money on a bad day. This is a more normal scenario where there's no lawn, it's a bad cloudy day, everything doesn't look very good at all, it's not appealing. Let's see what Fotello does to make this come back. An amazing result. It looks like the sun is just behind a cloud and nobody would question anything. But let's go ahead and take a look on the same thing as the last one. What we could do with the AI tool to give you an upsell and bring out even more better things. So with this, I did a twilight with the twilight clicked up here, and then the actual grass is from the description that I said, please give this grass, and it just gave it grass. So there wasn't anything else to do from there, and it gave this amazing result that you could then attach onto each of the bad outside images and do some type of upsell, giving you just that much more profit for you. And this was going over looking at a bad day. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. If you have anything else, please like, comment, and subscribe, and find us over at fotello.co. Have a great day.